Imagine a scientist who discovered that cow burps could power your home. Yes, Dr. Anna Michalak found that methane from cow burps is a potent renewable resource. Cows produce 150 billion gallons of methane daily, enough to power millions of homes. By capturing this gas, we can reduce greenhouse emissions and create energy. It's a win-win for the planet and our energy bills. Who knew that a cow's digestive system could be so powerful? To keep learning quirky facts like this, hit the like button, subscribe, and leave a comment.